Hello guys, in this video we will look at the DJI MIC3 transmitter. So this is the transmitter that you get with DJI MIC3. At first look, it has only two buttons on this transmitter and two LED lights are there. As you can see, one is on this side and one is on this side. But this clip is now detachable from the mic and you can rotate it to change the direction of the mic. The magnets are really strong, and beside that you get four wind mutts or dead cat with this mic. So this is one dead cat. So let's talk about the mic now. Let's remove the clip also. So now we will look at the mic. So the first button we have is the power button. You can keep pressing it to turn off the mic, and it will vibrate. So now as you can see, the mic has disconnected. Let's power it on again. Press it for like 2 seconds and the mic will power on and it will automatically connect with the DJI receiver. So let's talk about lights now. If you press it once, this light will turn on and it will be red in color. So let's press the button now. So now the light has turned on. What this means is that now the device is internally recording also beside connecting to the receiver. So this MIC3 also comes with internal storage. You can record internally and also record directly to the receiver. So to turn off the internal recording, we will press the power button again once and it will vibrate twice. This means that the internal recording has stopped. So now let's see how to turn on noise reduction mode. As you can see in the receiver is getting signals from the mic, and from the noise it seems like the noise reduction is already turned on. So what we will do now is we will press the power button twice, and what this does is it turns off the noise reduction. As you can see now, the bass levels of the mic are fluctuating. That means that mic is now capturing the noise, and now we will press it twice and the noise reduction has turned on again. So this is how you turn on and off the noise reduction feature of the DJI MIC3. And now let's talk about this linking button. So what this does is it turns on the Bluetooth mode on the mic. So now what this does is you can connect this either to the transmitter or to any mobile device via Bluetooth. So to connect it to the transmitter, you have to go in transmitter settings and then choose transmitter settings. Sorry, you have to go in device linking and then choose add transmitter. So this transmitter was transmitter 2, and as you see it is currently in linking mode. So we'll press on transmitter 2 and it will link this transmitter, and you can see the transmitter is connected again. The other feature that this linking button does is if you are connected to any remote device, like let's suppose you connect this receiver to a mobile device, then you can use this button as a remote shutter. So when you press it once, the camera will start recording, and then you press it again to stop recording. So these were the features of the DJI MIC3 transmitter. In the next video, we will look at settings on the DJI MIC3 receiver. So subscribe the channel if you don't want to miss the videos.